Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming exactly which light you want off, the Xbox logo on the console or controller LEDs, because each requires a different method. Once identified, shut the console down and disconnect accessories to avoid data loss. Make sure you have simple tools like a microfiber cloth and electrical tape if you plan a non-invasive cover. If you prefer software changes, get ready to use settings. Otherwise, prepare for a cautious physical. Once done, go into Settings, General, then Power Mode and Startup. Select Energy Saving so the console removes standby power and the logo light turns off when the system is off. This is the safest software route and prevents the front button from glowing. If energy saving doesn't help or you want an instant fix, place a small piece of opaque electrical tape or a purpose-made LED blocker over the logo. This is reversible and avoids opening the case. To finish, power the console off and verify the logo is dark. Wait 30 seconds to ensure no residual power keeps the LED lit. If it still glows, unplug the power cable for 10 to 30 seconds to bleed off remaining charge, then reconnect and test again. Make sure to avoid opening the console if it's under warranty. If the light persists after these steps, contact official support rather than risk damage. This protects your hardware and preserves warranty coverage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.